In our last video, we forced your lazy brain awake using a critical cheat key. Now that the brain's power is on, will you instantly become rich and see success right in front of you? Unfortunately, no. The world unfolding before your eyes will still be the same boring black and white static as yesterday. Why? Because even though the power is on, you haven't set up the brain's search engine for spotting opportunities, your RAS, Reticular Activating System. Let me give you a very simple example. The moment you decide to buy a red sports car, you suddenly start seeing red cars everywhere on the street. Did the world suddenly fill up with red cars? No. Your RAS filter, which used to process those cars as spam data, now recognizes them as critical data and brings them to the surface of your consciousness. The reason you keep failing isn't that there are no opportunities in the world, it's because your brain is treating the opportunities right in front of you as spam. Today, I'm going to plant 3 Trojan horses in your brain that will make the exact answers and opportunities you want brilliantly shine in your ordinary daily life. Before we begin the actual hacking, let me ask you, what kind of bug is your brain currently infected with? Number 1. The inertia bug, where you become one with your bed every morning. Number 2, the avoidance bug, where you always push things off until tomorrow. Number 3, the format bug, where you give up after just 3 days. Right now, leave a comment below with the number of the bug you need to crush. The moment you consciously recognize your error and physically type it out, your brain's OS update has brilliantly begun. One cheat key number 1. Hack your brain's 1-second firewall. Every single day, whether it's 6 a.m. or 6:30 a.m., open your eyes at the exact same time and go outside to run for just 5 minutes. Walking is fine too. I'm not giving you the cliché advice to do a grand morning workout. This is strictly neural awakening. Our brain feels the most massive threat to survival and resistance in that first single second of leaving the warm blankets. But what happens if you just go outside, run for 5 minutes, and come back? Your brain gets tricked. Wait, we left the safe zone, but there was no threat to our survival. It took less energy than I thought? This short 5-minute shock creates a fatal crack in the thick defensive wall of laziness your brain has built. If you smash that first 1 second of the morning, the hardest barrier to break, the resistance your brain feels when executing any other tasks for the rest of the day drops to near zero. All you have to do to help is tie your shoelaces before bed and leave your sneakers right by the front door. Cheat key number 2, the mini dopamine setup. Many people set massive goals like study for 5 hours a day or write the perfect business plan. Crushed by that pressure, the brain pumps out stress hormones and ultimately runs away. Completely change your approach. Block out exactly 30 minutes a day, morning or afternoon, whatever fits your schedule. And during those 30 minutes, set up incredibly trivial, almost childish tasks that you absolutely cannot fail at. For example, instead of reading a book, it's read exactly 3 pages and close it. Instead of cleaning the room, it's organize exactly 3 desk drawers. Instead of learning to code, it's copy exactly 2 lines of code. These 30 minutes are a trap to trick your brain. Every time you succeed at this ridiculously easy mission at the scheduled time, your brain gets tricked into thinking, "I won!" and secretes a microdose of dopamine. If you precisely administer this every day, your brain soon becomes addicted to that sweet sense of accomplishment released every 30 minutes. You're not violently squeezing out willpower. It's a perfect system hack that makes your brain literally beg for tomorrow's task. 20-day circuit reset. Cheat key number 3, the 20-day circuit reset. Mark that 5-minute morning run and the 30-minute mini-task on a calendar or your phone. If you did it, yes. If you didn't, no. Being too busy, being sick, no excuses. The baseline for a month is 20 days or more. If it's too hard, just aim for exactly 20. Exactly 20 check marks. Why exactly 20 times?
Our brain isn't just software that changes because you make up your mind. Brain cells must branch out and physically construct a new road network for a habit to form. The absolute minimum neuroscientific construction period required to sever the old, lazy circuits and pave a highway to the executing brain is exactly 20 days. Those 20 check marks on your calendar aren't just a record. They are the most powerful biological proof that your brain's OS has been completely overwritten with a new version. Now, even if you don't want to do it, your brain will drag you forward. Remember this. These 3 actions are not elementary school homework assignments designed to make you a good person. They are Trojan horses secretly planted to manipulate your RAS filter. The moment this 20-day hack, smashing the firewall, addicting you to dopamine, and physically altering your brain circuits is complete, that is when your true radar network will turn on. And I promise you, the information on the streets you just walked past yesterday, the countless clues for money and opportunities invisible to others, will brilliantly shine in gold only in your line of sight. The whites of your eyes will become jewels shining like a fierce gaze. Now, as promised, I've given you the second cheat key. Executing this key is entirely up to you. Make a promise to yourself by writing your bug number in the comments below. Start your first hack right now. The next cheat key is Brain Overclocking, where we permanently delete the passive and slow-learning consumer habits installed deep in your brain and forcibly override it with a system to learn any skill faster than others. I will have it perfectly prepared for you. Goodbye. This was Brain Hacking Lab.